Hey, Aim, how you doing? All right, well, here we are. Boy, did we luck out with this hurricane, didn't we, Aim?
I don't know that it's luck. I'm grateful. That's all I can say.
It's really a relief, wasn't it?
Big relief.
Well, hurricane season is, we only got a couple more weeks of it, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, and now it's time to start planning to up and out. We're going to head south.
Where have I heard that before?
Yeah, really.
So we're in Oriental at a marina that's only about 10 minutes from where we are, where Yab Yum is. And the storm surge was so high here that poor sailboat was lifted right out of its spot and up on land now. So behind me is the mighty, mighty Neuse River, force of nature. We saw the road blocked to Deaton's boatyard. That's the place we need to bring the boat to do the bottom paint before we head south. We wondered why they weren't answering the phone, then chose an alternate route, and then when we got there, we met John, a viewer.
It's so fun to meet you guys.
Yeah, it's fun for us too, yeah. He was just sharing how he's watched our
Yes, I've been following
journey.
you guys for a long time. It's great.
Yeah, you got to be
Happy to meet
careful,
you guys.
because we're going to let you do some work.
It's okay. No, I've been doing my property basically for the last couple weekends, and I'm pretty well caught up now. Now I'm going to see if I can help out some others around here, because we've been pretty well hit here. So yeah. There was a huge pile here. It was a mountain, basically a mountain of debris and fill. So they've come a long way here.
Yeah.
You know, and I guess they did pretty good across the way here as well, but
Yeah.
good people here at Deaton's, and they'll take good care of you.
Yeah, yeah, that's what we've heard from
Great.
many people. So.
It's so fun to meet you guys.
So here's a local pier that really got the wind damage. It's a shame, but you know what's amazing? As strong as that wind was to damage this pier, you go through this town and amazingly these old trees are still standing. It's pretty amazing. And I love some of these big trees that have survived. And not just this hurricane, but other hurricanes, and just like a lot of the people in this town and a lot of people across this nation, that they're survivors, and just like this tree.
Hey everybody, how you doing? Vin here. If you live within, half hour or so of Oriental and you would like to assist me to take the boat just about 3 hours south, I want to take it to Deaton's and put it on the hard so I can do the bottom paint. Amy has to take care of some family business. If you can do that, send me an email. Anyway, so we're here waiting for the floodwaters to recede from the hurricane because the U.S. Coast Guard has shut down basically the waterways of South Carolina because of debris and flooding. The water recedes, whatever comes sooner. So in the meantime, we want to focus on continuing to get the boat ready as soon as the waterways open up, and got to do the bottom paint. Let me know. Send me an email if you can help me get some stuff done. Thanks so much, guys, and I hope you continue to enjoy the rest of the video. I had a commenter say he likes to hear our banter with each other. Banter? There's going to be banter. Maybe we should film an argument or
I think
something.
we're too tired to banter. I just want to go make dinner and eat. And
Yeah, really. Yeah, well, when hurricane season's over, get going.
it's all about if the waterways are clear, though. So
Oh, yeah, that's true.
It's a really big thing that we're keeping an eye on. High rising waters, but also, stuff that's been debris that they haven't even gotten rid of yet. So.
Well, yeah, it's still flooding on the Waccamaw. The Sockasty Swing Bridge, I'm sure, is closed, so we'll have to figure out what we're going to do.
probably us and lots of other people that normally
Yeah.
head south.
Or let's banter. They said we were cute and charismatic. I guess you're the one that's cute and charismatic.
I don't know that I'm the cute one. I think you're cute and charismatic.
I've also been called other things by commenters too, which I had to delete. It wasn't family friendly.
You know, the world's full of people, lovers and haters. And
The banter? We're bantering.
just hang on.
It's totally broken?
Well, I'm sure it's supposed to have... No, it just flew off. Yeah, it's missing a little tab. So what is our boat dinner gonna be? We have gourmet boat food on this boat. We serve just the best. We serve the best
Noodles and pickles.
mini dill pickles, and we serve the best ramen noodles, and
Yeah.
we have the most delicious hard-boiled eggs. We just have such a well-rounded diet.
Yeah, that is good, yeah.
Just gotta watch that lack of fiber.
We've got plenty of fiber.
Having oatmeal every day, there's our fiber. That's good. Hello.
I like the shades. Time to eat.